Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your profile picture on Discord Mobile on your iPhones. Very simple and easy to do. You just want to make sure that you're fully updated on your Discord application first, just to make sure that we have the same kind of version. Now, as you guys can see, whenever I type in Discord on my App Store, it says open, so that means there's no updates available for Discord on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So once that's done, we can go out of here and we can open up Discord. Once we're in Discord, we can just go to the bottom right corner, as long as we're on this main screen here. If you're in like a chat currently, you just want to make sure that you're on the main screen so you see all the stuff at the very bottom, just like I have here. And all you want to do is just click on the bottom right corner where you see your current profile picture and the color of dot, like mine's green right now. So I'm just going to click on that. And then you'll be brought to this area right here. All you have to do is go up to the top left corner and click on the little photo add icon. And this is where you'll be able to change your photo. You can just change it to anything that you want and then just click on choose. If it's not letting you do this, it's just because you don't have photo access allowed to Discord. All you have to do for that is just go into your settings and open that up. You then just want to search for Discord. Click on that. And then right here under where it says photos, it says it has access to all my photos. You just want to click on that and make sure that you have this set on all or selected and not on none, and you'll be good to go. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.